When speaking about gender-based violence, sexual and gender-based violence in Bangladesh, we have to talk about the fact that this is treated as such a normal part of our culture. লিঙ্গভিত্তিক সহিংসতা আমাদের দেশের একটা অত্যন্ত স্বাভাবিক দিক হিসেবে উঠে এসেছে অ্যান্ড আমার মনে হয় যে এখানে আমাদের সবচেয়ে বড় লড়াইটা আছে যে মানুষের মধ্যে এই সমস্যাটার বিরুদ্ধে ক্রোধ জাগানো এই সমস্যাটার ভিতরে রাগ জাগানো and to make people feel hopeful that there is change that's possible. And when we are mobilizing efforts to fight gender-based violence, we have to think beyond specific individual incidents of rape or sexual violence or gender-based violence. We have to think beyond individual rapists, and we have to think beyond individual law reforms. When we want mass mobilization, our scope and our agenda has to be broad enough so that people are able to relate their everyday experiences to the issues that we're fighting with. So people may not know what Evidence Act from the 1800s stands for or how it's used in our legal sphere, but they know that if they were a victim of sexual violence and went back home, their families would ask them, "Tomar onna koi chilo?" One of the main slogans that we had from feminists across generations, Projanmantar Naribadi Moitri, was Mukti Chai Rokha Noy. We want freedom, not protection. And with this slogan, we wanted to challenge this protectionist, patriarchal approach to trying to solve the issue of rape in Bangladesh. This was to say that we cannot be protected by restricting us within our homes. We cannot be protected by taking away our right to move around freely in an independent nation. Because at the end of the day, it is also our brothers and fathers and uncles and friends who are inflicting violence on us. So to question who exactly are we going to protect women from when we bring them out from the streets and put them into our homes. Last year, during the nationwide anti-rape protests, we saw something really, really important and interesting. We saw a change in the language and the narrative that was used in the protest. প্রতিবাদের ভাষাটা বদলে ছিল. Instead of asking and demanding for death penalty, people were asking for answers from their families and schools and society at large for why women and gender minorities are still treated as second-class citizens. কেন এখনো ধর্ষণের জন্য আমাদের জামা কাপড় চলন বলনকে দায় রাখা হচ্ছে ধর্ষকের ইনস্টেডে এইসব প্রশ্ন এইসব গুরুত্বপূর্ণ প্রশ্ন আমরা দেখেছি যে উঠে এসেছে এটা শুধু লাস্ট ইয়ারেই থেমে থাকেনি এরপরে যতগুলো ছোটোখাটো প্রোটেস্ট হয়েছে ওখানেও কিন্তু আমরা দেখেছি যে এই প্রতিবাদের ভাষাটা যে চেঞ্জ হয়েছে ওইটার এফেক্টটা এখনও আছে ভবিষ্যতে যখন আমরা এই ধর্ষণের বিরুদ্ধে লড়াই চালিয়ে যাব আমার আশা যে আমরা এই ক্রোধটাকে ধরে রাখতে পারবো এবং এই ক্রোধটাকে ছড়িয়ে দিতে পারবো